Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a groom text style in Photoshop. Type your text in a strong sans serif font, apply gradient overlay with black, grey and white. Also add bevel and emboss using inner bevel. Adjust depth for realistic chrome look. Use glosser contour to emphasize metallic edges. Also add a subtle outer glow with light grey. Now use tan with white gradient for shine, adjust lighting angle for realism, duplicate layer and add motion blur for reflections. Now apply soft highlights with a small white brush, merge layers for a cleaner look, reduce opacity on duplicate layer for subtle effect, refine the gradient stops for smooth metallic flow. Finalize